Now the chemical reaction and equation, we are going to talk about the module 5. Exothermic reaction. In some reaction you can see that the heat is involved, and some reactions the heat is absorbed. The reaction in which the heat is evolved is called as the exothermic reactions. Now let us see the example of burning of the natural gas. Natural gas is generally found in the petroleum wells. When you have this petroleum wells, like from where you get the petrol, but before the petrol is got, so what we have is this gas above it is taken out and filled into the cylinder, and that is used for burning. So mainly this natural gas will have methane in it in the gaseous form. This methane reacts with oxygen to give you carbon dioxide and water and lots of heat, right? So this is called as the exothermic reaction because lots of heat is evolved. Respiration is also a exothermic reaction, right? हम respire करते हैं यानी कि सांस लेते हैं, तो सांस लेने में क्या होता है? We have sugar in our body, that is C6H12O6, right? Now this is there which is mixed in our blood, and what happens? We breathe in. When we breathe in, ऑक्सीजन अंदर जाती है, तो ऑक्सीजन अंदर जाएगी तो बनेगा क्या? तो बोले कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बनेगा रिएक्शन होके, और साथ में हमें मिलेगा पानी जो हमारे सिस्टम में रह जाएगा. क्या बाहर निकलता है? तो बोले कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, और हमें क्या मिलती है? काम करने की एनर्जी. So this is also put into the category of the exothermic reaction, right? The decomposition of the vegetable matter into compost is also an example of the exothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction. Now, what do you understand by the endothermic reaction? Endothermic reaction is a reaction in which the heat is absorbed. So for this, let me give you an example. By an activity, we take a tripod stand, and in this tripod stand, you put a wire gauge, okay? And in this wire gauge, you put some sulfur. Sulfur is an element, yellow colored powder, and then start the burner. When you start the burner, it will start burning, and you also put some iron fillings in it, pieces, very powdered form of iron, and then heat them together. You will get a new compound, that is iron sulfide. Now if you just simply keep iron and sulfur together, no reaction will take place. But when you burn them together, the reaction is taking place. That means heat is absorbed for this reaction. So this is called as an endothermic reaction. Heat ko andar le liya. So iron, which is Fe, reacts with sulfur, which is S, to give a substance that is iron sulfide, या फिर it is also called as the ferrous sulfide, right? Now this reaction takes place only and only on giving heat to it, otherwise this reaction does not happen at all, right? So such a reaction in which the heat is absorbed is called as the endothermic reaction.